Smart toilet installation and function show. First, please check if the installation accessories are complete. Second, please measure the distance between two mounting holes. Please confirm this distance must be between 12 to 18 centimeters. Attention, the front of water tank should not bulge. Then goes to installation. First, please remove the rubber sleeves and insert it into the mounting hole and press it flat. If you can't insert it, you can wet it. Then, put the metal gasket on the fixed bracket. Please don't install the metal gasket and the fixed bracket in the opposite direction. Insert the mounting bolts and tighten. About the seat cover installation, align the cover with the fixed bracket and push hard. When you hear a "pop" sound, it shows the cover is already in place. Finally, check whether it is firmly installed. About installing the filter of T-valve. First, put the sealant ring into the T-valve, then close-angle valve. After removing the original inlet pipe, install the T-valve filter and connect it to the outlet. Installation of water inlet PE tube. Please insert one end of the white PE tube into the adapter, and then press the blue clip. Remove the blue retaining ring on the cover. Insert the other end of the PE tube, and then fasten the blue clip. Open the angle valve after installation to check if water leaking or not. Finally, plug in the power supply and test whether the smart toilet seat cover functions is normal. Installation sequence. First, checking if the accessories are complete. Second, measuring the distance between two mounting holes should be in 12 to 18 centimeters and the surface of front ceramic tank can't be raised. Third, installation fixed bracket and screw. Fourth, install the cover. Fifth, installing the T-valve and PE tube. Make sure the T-valve is tightened. Please open the angle valve to check if water leaks. Sixth, plug the power to check if functions works well. Cleaning and drying functions work unless seated before using. Please also check whether the water temperature and seat temperature are normal.